Stay out of the way, Madara.
But at this point, there is something I must do.
What?
I need to take a little more of you. Those Rama a compliment.
What are you talking about?
He's only thanks to him creating the reanimation. I'm able to have a serious battle with you. Otherwise, this would have never happened. Unlike the current 5 comrades, Shirama, I knew you would be able to entertain me. Have you seen how much weaker people are compared to our generation?
People learn everything. Power is everything.
Power changes things. Naive as ever.
We're dead men. Stop trying to interfere with the present.
Dead man. Says who? I have been patiently preparing for this time to come. This event
Sage Art, Woodstein, Shinzu Senju. Summon Enlightenment. I won't allow you to tamper with the world any longer.
Now it truly feels like a battle with you. And since we have both been reanimated, we can enjoy this semi-permanently.
I know that you didn't just come here to fight with me. What are you really after?
Fine. Let me tell you an old story. Hashirama, do you know about the Divine Tree?
Divine Tree?
Long ago, before people even had any concept of chakra, and just kept fighting with each other over and over. But the Divine Tree never took part in the battles. It was merely worshipped by them as a sacred pillar. One day, the Divine Tree bore a fruit that only appeared once every 1,000 years. Tradition said that no one was ever supposed to touch it, but a princess decided to eat it in order to achieve victory on the battlefield. Her name was Kaguya Otsutsuki. She became the first person ever to possess chakra. Kaguya gave birth to a child who also possessed chakra in his body. His name was Hagoromo Otsutsuki. He taught people about chakra and became the founder of Shinobi. He was also known as the Sage of the Six Paths. Do you need me to explain what happened afterwards to the person who took the forbidden fruit in order to stop the war? Ever since someone reached out their hand to take that fruit, humans have been cursed to hate each other even more than before. Would you not agree that Shinobi are the very symbol of that foolishness? In which case, would you not also agree that moving into a world that can be remade through Genjutsu is the best plan of action?
Is that the dream of the future you've been speaking of?
Yes. It's just a little different.
What do you mean?
I would be a fool to explain it all right here. There is one thing I can say. Obito will not be the one to complete it. I will.
Why? Why did you end up like this?
My own way of life. No one has any right to order me around. I might as well give it to you straight. That dream time we shared when we could discuss the future together is over. For now, let us just enjoy this moment.
Yeah.